myself Shweta Sande. I'm assistant manager for the showroom display center. I'm working with Kajaria since 12 years. When it comes to company, Kajaria Ceramics Limited is India's largest and #1 tile manufacturer of ceramic and vitrified tiles. We have multiple plants in India with wide range of products manufacturing, including ceramic tiles, ceramic flooring tiles, vitrified as well as designer tiles. Kajaria has increased its production capacity over the years, and currently the capacity boosting up to 93.10 million square meters. It's been more than 36 years Kajaria is into industry. It's only because of its premium quality provided. So we have also been awarded Super Brand for 14th time in a row. In Kajaria, we have 3 different products available. So this is basically a Grestuff division. So in under Grestuff division, we have ceramic tiles available, we have vitrified tiles available. So the tiles which you are seeing here is all basically a Grestuff product. It's a vitrified tiles. And apart from this, we have different products which is vitrified double charged as well as ceramic wall tiles. So all these tiles are basically a vitrified body with digitally printed tile. We call it as a glazed tiles. We have ceramic wall tiles, ceramic flooring tiles, polished vitrified tiles as well as glazed vitrified tiles. So ceramic wall tiles is basically used for bathroom tiles, bathroom purpose, as well as for exterior wall cladding, kitchen wall tiles. So ceramic flooring tile is basically available in a smaller size, which is mostly recommended for exterior flooring as well as for bathroom flooring tiles. So here we have different sizes available from 2x2 up to 4x6. So 2x2, 2x4, 2.5x5 and 4x6, the different sizes available. Apart from this, we have 40x40 tiles with 12 mm thickness, which is used for parking mainly. Along with that, you can use for exterior flooring, terrace or any balcony areas as well.